Have you ever wasted time dragging your mouse just to copy text or copying a whole messy link when you only needed part of it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing two browser tricks you'll wish you learned earlier. And I guarantee, once you see them, you'll use them every day. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number one, copy part of a link easily. Normally, when you copy a website link, you get the entire long address, even if you only need part of it. So here's the trick. Hold the Alt key, then drag and highlight the section of the link you want. Right-click, copy, or Control-C, and just like that, only the part of you selected gets copied. No more cleaning up messy URLs. Tip number two, copy an entire paragraph instantly. Now for the second trick, imagine you want to copy a whole paragraph from an article. Most people click and drag across the text, hoping they don't miss a word. Instead, just triple click anywhere in the paragraph, then the whole thing highlights instantly. Perfect for quick note-taking or sharing text without extra effort. Simple, right? But here's the thing. These two are just the beginning. Browsers are full of hidden shortcuts like this, and the more you know, the faster and smarter you'll browse. So try this out today, and I promise you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stick around because I've got more hidden browser tricks coming that will completely change how you use the internet. Thanks for watching and see you next time!